Oh, have you seen the kind of plants you can get? There's like these black looking tomatoes and then purple looking tomatoes. And I saw cabbage that had all wrinkly leaves. I've never seen that before. Where do you get wrinkly leaf cabbages from? And don't even get me started on picking a type of onion because I don't know which one I want. You know, you bought like 15 different kinds of seeds the other day. But there's so many that I could have and that I don't have yet. I still need more companion plants and I need some pretty plants and I need more veggies. Look, how about we sprout these seeds that we have now and then we'll think about getting some more later. Fine. I'll go and plant the seeds that I have. I just won't tell you that I'll buy some more. Look at this cauliflower. This is 3 days after I put the seeds in. I've got 3 sprouting. Better look at it. These are my salvias. They were half this size yesterday. They were so tiny and they're sprouted. Lavender has done nothing. Tomatoes have done nothing. I also did some baby lettuce and passion fruit. So let's see if these work. And the cool lady at the local produce shop where I go to get all my fresh stuff said these are the potatoes I need. These are the ones they use to actually plant theirs. I used these ones, which are apparently sprayed with, like, she said chlorine and stuff or whatever and washed to make look nice. She said they won't work. So I'm going to get 2 or 3 of these and do this. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh well, too bad if that one's gonna grow. Oh, I kind of feel bad doing this now. Should I keep them going? Oh well. I think I should probably only put 2 in here. There. When I said she gave me a bag of them, she gave me all of those potatoes in a bag for $1. It doesn't look like much right now here, but soon it will because I have things that have sprouted finally, and I'm going to show you. It's been about 2 weeks since I planted a lot of my little seeds, cauliflower and salvias, and I'll show you what they're doing right now. These little lovely things are my cauliflowers. So it's almost 2 weeks. I think we're like 2 days short of when I planted these cauliflowers. This is a salvia, and I have separated a lot of the spinach that my mum gave me so that they can all grow separately. I have about 7 plants of spinach. Still don't know what that one is. And so I decided, I thought that I'd actually underplanted. I need more cauliflower and all that because I want to have enough food growing in my garden. So I planted more salvias, cauliflower. I'm going to have to separate these guys now before they get too close and their roots get entwined. And then I did try a watermelon and I thought nothing was happening until I moved this. You can see that tiny little thing in there trying to come out. I'm so excited. I didn't think it was going to work. I have tried capsicum. I don't think my seeds are any good. Spring onion and chili. They might be too old. Let me know if seeds, they're about 4 years old, I think now. Let me know if that's too old. Will they grow at that age or not? These ones are my little lettuce that I put in here. But unfortunately, they got left in the sun on a very hot day. And this is what they look like now. My basil did wilt a little bit, but it's not looking too bad. And these guys are my tomatoes. I need to plant more seeds because I've only got 3. So I think I should do more, but I'm going to separate these ones into this, and this mix is just Bunnings stuff. I went to Bunnings and got a 50-litre bag of garden soil planting mix. And then I think the next thing I got was a 20-litre mushroom compost. So I got the dirt mushroom compost and a 5, it was coconut core. It was like the small block of coconut core, which made 15 litres. So with those 3 things combined, I then just sort of put half of everything in each of these tubs, mix it all up to get it together, and then I'm just going to use this for my soil. I was going to put potato in here, but I'll see, because right now I'm still in the dirt. Progress. Ooh, look, my pumpkin, my butternut. One plant into its new home. This dirt, I felt it yesterday. There's not much sun today, but I felt it yesterday and it was so warm. Like it was baking itself. So I figured that it's probably good for me to put these plants somewhere in this area so they can get warm, because they've been in the shade up until now, so they can just sprout. But they definitely need sunshine now. Let's see if I can do it. Yes! Ha! Can plant. I'm actually finding these bottle, like, bottoms really handy. I haven't put holes in the bottom, but I don't mind it, because you just got to be careful not to overwater them. But I like that they don't leak out on surfaces if you don't want the surface around to get wet. That's pretty much it. Now I got a bunch of seeds that I want to plant now to get going, because they are like companion plants, some of them, for my other plants. I've got 2 types of cabbage, a couple of kinds of onion. I got some native flowers. So in case you wanted to pause that and read all of that, what I just put down there, and if you're interested in the place where I got them from, they're called the Seed Collection. I think they're in Victoria, and they had like really quick response. Most of these plants were about $1.75 per packet. So for example, the tomato seeds is about 100. The cabbage, there's about 100 seeds. So for $1.75, I thought that's really good. If I can grow these and then get my own seeds, then I'm like on the home run. I better label these things.